Hello all you beautiful people, how you doing today? This is Lava Temptress and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, welcome, hi! So today we're going to be talking about another Humble bundle that just came out, and this one is a books bundle. It's all about game dev, design, and graphics by Mercury. So, well, you guessed it, it's a bunch of books on developing games, designing their graphics, and all that kind of stuff. Now, it is $1,180 worth of awesome stuff, and I can confirm I do get almost exactly that amount when I totaled it up for you today. As always, I have the tiers broken down as far as how much each book normally is and how much each tier normally would be. And since it's books, it's DRM free, which just means that you can have it on your tablet, your computer, your phone, wherever it is that you're reading it, all at the same time, which makes it very nice. You can switch back and forth, no big deal. But that is where the multi-format comes in. Today it comes in PDF, MOBI, and EPUB files, which just means if you're using an app like Nook or Kindle, because those are the most popular ones, then you can read those in their specific formats. And of course, PDF works everywhere, even in Nook and Kindle, so that too. It just works better with those file types. All right, so of course, as always, you can click here to get the bundle, or down below after we take a look. Pardon me, apparently I'm tongue-tied. Don't forget to hit the reminder bell. If you need to come back for any reason, it'll send you an email reminding you before the bundle is over. All right, let's just jump in and get started. So for the dollar tier, as you can see, 5, so you get 8 books for just $1. And let me tell you, this is an awesome bundle. I need to get this one for myself and my hubby because we could share it since it's books, which is nice. All right, if you need more information, you can always look at the PDF preview. It's kind of hit and miss. Sometimes it's a very good representation of what the book entails. Not always though, but you can kind of see like the style that the book is written in usually. And of course you can click this link to take a look at the actual page where the book is from, and here you can read a little bit more of a description, because if I did that, the videos would be way too long. Nobody would stick around. So let's get started. 3D printing includes supplementary materials. That one is normally $29.95. Next, we have mathematics for computer graphics and game programming. That one is normally $35.95. Next, we have Autocad 2021 3D modeling. This one also includes supplementary materials, and that one is normally $41.95. Next, we have Photoshop Elements 2018. It also includes supplementary material, and this one is normally $31.95. Next, we have Embedded Vision and Introductory, and this one is normally $41.95. Next, Photoshop Enhancement videos using Photoshop CC 2021. This one is a video, but it is normally $99.95. That's expensive, but I bet it's going to be good, right? Next, we have game development using processing, includes supplementary materials. This one is normally $29.95. And last in this tier is 3D character development, includes supplementary materials, and this one is normally $29.95 also, which brings our grand total just for the dollar tier. This would normally be $341.60. That, of course, you're going to get for just $1. If you're new to Humble Bundle, the way it works is whichever tier you purchase, you will get everything above it. So this will just add on to that total. So our next tier today is $10. And let's see, you get another 9 books. So first we have Autocad 2021 Beginning and Intermediate, and it includes supplementary materials. So this one is normally $44.95. Next, we have the classic game design with Unity, and it also includes supplementary materials, and this one is normally $35.95. Next is game testing, and it includes, and it's game testing all in one, and it includes supplementary materials. It is a 3rd edition, and it is normally $29.95. Next, we have Basic Electronics Theory and Practice. It also includes supplementary materials and is a 3rd edition. And this one is normally $41.95. Next, we have XML Basics. That one is normally $45.95. Next, we have Excel Functions and Formulas, MS Excel 2019 version. It includes supplementary materials and is a 5th edition. So this one is normally $39.95. Next, we have Programming Fundamentals using MATLAB. It also includes supplementary materials and is normally $45.95. Next up is Python Video Tutorials. And again, this is a video. So this one is normally $99.95. Those video ones are expensive. Next, we have Computer Graphics Programming in OpenGL using C++. It includes supplementary materials and is a 2nd edition, which is normally $54.95. So far, that brings our grand total to $781.15, and you're getting it for just $10. Awesome deal. Next, we have our top tier today, which is $18, which means you would get everything here plus everything up above for only $18. As you can tell, even before reading all this off, it's definitely worth $18. If this is something you're interested in, I say jump on it, but that's just my opinion. Obviously, leave your opinions or any questions or anything down below. And I included a link, so if you use that, thank you very much. It is an affiliate link. I am a partner, so I do make a little bit if you use that. So for the top tier, we have Computer Graphics Programming in OpenGL using Java. It includes supplementary materials and is a 2nd edition. This one is normally $35.95. Next, we have Game Development using Python. It also includes supplementary material and is a 2nd edition. It is normally $39.95. Next, we have Python Intro to Programming Game App Approach. It includes supplementary materials and is a 2nd edition. And this one is normally $59.95. Next up, Programming Fundamentals using Java, a game dev approach. It also includes supplementary materials and is a 2nd edition. And this one is normally $79.95. Next up, Make Amazing Games using Fusion 2.5. It also includes supplementary materials and is a 3rd edition. This one is normally $41.95. Next up, we have Data Visualization for Business Decisions. It also includes supplementary materials and is a 3rd edition. It is normally $34.95. Next up, Intro 3D Game Programming DX12. It also includes supplementary materials. It is normally $34.95. Next up, we have Photograph Restoration and Enhancement using Adobe Photoshop CC. It is the 2021 version and a 3rd edition. It also includes supplementary materials. It is normally $41.95. And last up, we have Storyboarding. It also includes supplementary material and it is a 2nd edition. This one is normally $29.95, which brings our grand total to $1,180.70. Like I said, very, very close to the $1,180 that Humble said it was. All right, as always, Humble supports a charity. This one is WDC, Whale and Dolphin Conservation. Here is actually where you're going to purchase. Even if you click that button above, it'll bring you down here. Now here you're just going to choose whichever tier you would like. There's always a higher amount, or you can put in the custom amount because you can choose where your money goes, which makes it kind of cool. So you can choose to give more to charity, you can choose to give more to Humble, the developers, and there's all kinds of different things that you can do, which is nice. Sometimes the dollar amount does disappear though, so if you just put that into the custom amount, if that's the one that you want, then that's how you purchase that. If you purchase anything other than the top tier, it does pop up these warnings. It's just saying you're not going to get the content in this tier unless you pay another $9, this tier unless you pay another $17. You know how it is. It's okay though, you don't have to worry about that. Just purchase whichever tier you like. The add to cart is only for the humble choice. However, you do not have to have that to purchase any of the bundles. And a question I get sometimes is, do I have to pay stuff later? No, when you purchase a bundle, it is yours to keep forever, unless it's a special bundle that says it's only like a 1-year subscription. After that, you would have to pay, but you get that full year. Like, you don't pay anything else to Humble for that. But those are special circumstances. These are books, so this doesn't really apply to that. But I still tell you because I get a lot of questions for that. All right, so here is where you're going to purchase. If you want to give it as a gift, don't forget to hit there and put their email in. And you can make it anonymous because that's kind of fun. So here's where you're going to pay. Pay with card, PayPal, Amazon, or Alipay. And that's it. That's the bundle today. It looks like a really good bundle, but as always, I would love to know what you guys think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button with the notification bell so you can see when all the new videos come out. I really appreciate you guys being here. I hope you know that. Till next time, this is Lava Temptress. Don't get burned. Bye!